or just yourself? Okay, so first you put your band on, and then you're gonna spread your feet to a good distance. Now you're gonna put your hands on your hips. You're gonna lean to your left side, and you are gonna lift your right leg up. If you don't have a band, it's okay. The first exercise, you're gonna spread your legs a little bit. Put your hands on your hips. Lean to your left, and now lift your right leg. For the second exercise, we're gonna spread our legs. We're gonna put our hands on our hips. We're gonna lean our body back a little bit, and we are gonna go forward on each leg. So 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna walk forward. So 1, 2, and this is the second modified exercise. You're gonna spread your legs, put your hands on your hips, and now lift your left and your right leg. And now walk forward with it. For the next exercise, you're gonna run in place. Then you're gonna do a push-up and grab your jump rope. And then you're gonna jump your jump rope. If you don't have the equipment, it's okay. This is what you're gonna be doing. First, you're gonna be running in place. Then you're gonna give me a push-up. And then you're gonna pretend like you have a jump rope. Next exercise, we're gonna do some mountain climbers, and you're gonna get in ready position. And then you're gonna just move your feet up, up, up. So imagine like you're doing a Spider-Man that moves. The last exercise, we're gonna put our thumb inside the elastic, grab it really tight, put your hands in front of your body, and stretch it out.